It's Indian culture on display at the Modi Prasad dinner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on a five-nation tour. The second nation that he's chosen is Trinidad and Tobago. Dinner was served on a sohari leaf, which means a traditional welcome. Remember, and for those who may not know, Trinidad and Tobago has a massive India influence. Generations of Indian origin, who have now been living in the nation and have, though still maintained, while assimilating with the Trinidad and Tobago culture, they have been able to also keep their Indian roots, many of them especially from the northern belt of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Look at that. On the table, sitting alongside Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of the Caribbean country. Dinner was served on the sohari leaf. Bhojpuri Chautal, Bihar ki beti message, and then this traditional dinner. I want to quickly quote what the Prime Minister said. The dinner hosted by the Prime Minister Kamala Prasad Bisasar had food served on a sohari leaf. It's a great cultural significance for the people of the country, especially those with the Indian roots. Food is often served on this leaf during festivals and other special events. Indian diaspora, meanwhile, to welcome Prime Minister Modi as well. The Caribbean influence, the Indian influence, and the relationship between the two. Joining me now for the latest on that, Shivani Sharma. Shivani, it's very interesting. We would think this is a country far, far away, and yet there is so much of commonality between the two. Tell me how Bihar has made a representation here.
See, Pooja, this is a beautiful preservation of Indian traditions and values in Trinidad and Tobago, because out of the 13 lakh population, 45% are of Indian origin. And this is very evident in the traditions they've been following and the kind of welcome gesture they've given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi with that traditional music, the chautal, dhol, bajira, sitting on the floor, and the dinner that has been now served in a beautiful traditional style on those leaves, Pooja. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has mentioned and reminded the people in Trinidad and Tobago that India is deeply connected to this nation, because the ancestors, generations, they have been from India and they are preserving Indian values. They are also grateful to India for not only helping this nation in the time of COVID with the vaccinations that were delivered to this country, and otherwise also the kind of relationship India maintains with Trinidad and Tobago. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is carrying jal from Saryu River and also a replica of Ram Temple. He's called the Prime Minister Kamala Prasad Bisasar Bihar ki beti, because her ancestors were from Buxar. So this is how this whole beautiful connection of India and Trinidad and Tobago is very much evident in Prime Minister's visit, when he's getting this welcome from the people in Trinidad and Tobago, including the Prime Minister as well as the Indian diaspora.
That it's a five-nation tour. I want to just dip in. Let's go across to these visuals on our screen, the sounds, the dhol, and of course the Indian connect.